best-in-class torque.
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
Built to blow your imagination. Guts, glory, Ram.
Everyone could use a little relationship help, and in this new series, Spike Ferriston introduces deserving suitors to 3 available autos and helps them buy the car of their dreams.
Yes! I have personally found you a lot of cars.
You have changed my life.
Car Matchmaker, next Tuesday at 9 on Esquire Network.
A tornado watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 65 degrees with thunderstorms in the area. Tonight, thunderstorms early. A few storms may be severe. Low, 50. Chance of rain, 50%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
AM on AMHQ.
Let's get you in front of
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Defiance County in northwest Ohio, southeastern Henry County in northwest Ohio, northwestern Putnam County, Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Continental, or 11 miles southwest of Deschler, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado, quarter-size hail, and 100 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Flying debris will be deadly to people and animals. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Holgate around 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Deschler around 5:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, McClure around 5:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations in the warning include Prentice, Gallup, Hamler, Ellery, Millint, and Grelton. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Defiance and Putnam.
And we are only about 2-3 miles from this wall cloud right now. Big bolt of lightning off to the right.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Butler County in southwest Ohio, Warren County in southwest Ohio, southwestern Greene County in west central Ohio, southeastern Montgomery County in west central Ohio, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and winds to 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Franklin 5 miles west of Hamilton, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Monroe, Bellbrook, Waynesville, Mason, Lebanon, Morrow. In addition, State Route 48 at State Route 73, Mostown, Little, Pekin, Beckett Ridge, Hughes, Mott and State Route 63 at State Route 741 are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 71 between mile markers 20 and 42, Interstate 75 between mile markers 18 and 43. A tornado watch is in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop suddenly from severe thunderstorms. If you are near the path of this storm, you should be alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and be ready to act quickly. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday evening for southeastern Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Greene County and west central Ohio until 8:15 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Paintersville, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Locations in the path of the storm include Jamestown. In addition, Fowlersville, Bell Center, Rosemead, and Gladstone are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. If you are near the path of this storm, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday evening for southeastern Indiana and west central Ohio. A tornado watch also remains in effect until midnight Friday morning for southeast Indiana and northeastern Kentucky and southwestern Ohio.